Last participant to come up is S. Satish and team representing Jiu-Jitsu.
तिमीले त मलाई छाडेको दोष पनि छाडेको बाँच्ने कसम खाएको And I could never see the two of us apart. And you know I give myself to you, no matter what you do. I promise I live my life for you. With you, there was nothing we can do.
FDI Indian Media, Entertainment and Communication is harmful for the nation, and I speak for the motion. Heard of the name Cosmopolitan? Yes, you've guessed it. It's a magazine printed in India. Now I wonder, why did America plan to market it in India? Simple reason is, it didn't market well in America. They took the profits home. For them, business is a hunt. Money they invest and the profits they get keep then going on. Now let me ask you something. Do you know, according to the latest statistics, esteemed dailies published in India daily in the different sections of the country amount to around 5,000. So where is the need for foreign
For the opponents speaking for the motion. That is, they say API is not necessary in India and it is going to detriment for India. Let me have an expert's advice. The special economic zones were formulated in India some time back. When our noted economics had no problems in implementing the API policies in India, they are the ones who are really guiding our country through the economic advantages that are going to get in. Who are these people to say this? Are they laymen? Are they experts? They are no one. When the economists are not opposing it, how can these laymen oppose it? This is Saurabh speaking on behalf of JCC and my team members Anand Mukherjee and Abhay Banerjee. Good evening to the judges, Chairperson Sir, and everyone. As I said earlier, the SSF were formulated in India some time back. Now, as far as the print media is concerned, let me ask you something. Do we have any connection between the Washington Post and the Telegraph that we see? They're both forms of the same media, print media. Do we have any connection between the quality that they provide? Certainly yes. Washington Post's quality is certainly greater than the Telegraph. The Telegraph is a completely regional news. But the Washington Post is a completely international news. See, Washington newspaper is going to get interested in Indian news, in Indian policies. India is going to benefit. Not for our betterment, but for the betterment of everyone. For everything. Our economy, our people. They were much more civilized than us at that time. Their economy was prospering, they were prospering. But what happened? They remained confined to themselves. And ultimately, they crossed their identity in history. Let now the Indian economy gets over. Let us become global now. What we need is for the not our children in this country and that country. How long does it take to reach England from here? Prosper. Let not FDI be opposed in whichever sense it requires to be. Thank you.
So now, again, the communication is harmful for the nation and going for the topic. Why should I go against the topic when I get such great advantages in it? Take for example the telecommunication, as I belong to electronics and telecommunication branch. FDI, its total inflow of the year 2002 in India was 5,044 crores, and the total income of FDI in telecommunication department is 52,605 crores telecom department given by FBI. What is this? Our nation is just crippling down, it's crippling down regarding telecommunication. India, you friends, whenever you go for internet browsing, most of you ad sites given by the FBI. Okay, never forget. Next page we will go for the medias, print medias. As she said, Magwadi partner, Vidisha, that 5,000 newspapers. Why do we need these newspapers from outside? Indian newspapers, he was saying about the quality. He was saying, Statesman, Hindustan Times, a regional newspaper from Kerala, these all publish the international news also. But the international news, it gets only the outer. Why do you go abroad? Yes, we should know about it abroad. But if we forget our nation, she said, Star World. I am saying about a simple serial. Its name is Friends. Friends. A true friend. How should a true friend be? If you see the serial, then you will come to know what is a true friend means in Star Wars Friends serial. What a vulgar scenes, what a obscene scenes. And he was supporting FBI.
Good morning, everybody. As a young man, my India is always exciting opponent. But now, with that one of my opponents, he mentioned that people in India don't like foreign channels. Foreign companies. So, a business tycoon from Australia. So it is in no way an Indian channel, but Indian people have voted it to the top. Now, along with FDI, that is foreign direct investment, I think my worthy opponents, knowledgeable opponents, have confused it with foreign companies. It is not forein companies. In the case of print media, we are getting a completely neutral viewpoint of all the news of the world. I think I'm giving to inform this to my opponents because I guess they don't.
খালি অবস্থা তারপর বলে
by giving you some examples. Yes, he was removed from the post. What was the reason? Reason was he wanted to make a gearbox. He wanted to do something innovative things. Companies of India that we will give you some cars. We will give you some cars. And sir, it's not give and take. It's simply, give and give. It's like they're demanding. You give this, I want this, therefore you give me back. Think of something. Calling up your mother from the STD booth, you're not getting a line. For hours and hours, your mother is waiting for your call eagerly to listen to the voice of his son. If you to buy a foreign direct investment, a foreign company with scientific technology, with an innovative one, with a richer technology, offering a better telecommunication, why shouldn't we accept it? I asked the worthy opponent, why shouldn't we accept it? I don't know what he was talking about, the IITs and PHUs. Maybe IITs and PHUs are brain houses. But for doing business, we need this, we need this. Where will it come from? It comes from FDI. Foreign investments. It's the foreign companies who fund it. We don't have the money. We have foreign direct investment. We have been talking about. But we have been talking about much of the print media. Think about something. We have
of India.
Okay. We have topics of communication, entertainment and media. Is to accept anything foreign direct investment, you must lay a platform where our society, our culture,
our ethics can be accepted. Our culture has something is allowed in the print media. There is an apprehension that it will influence
A newspaper who is politically biased towards a party will do to conduct a poll in the
I will put this question to the Olympic Secretary and Party. So from my experience goes, in education, I have seen number of journals, technical journals. Okay? And most of the Indian journals were very much off-standard in nature. And I have consulted number of journals. Journals are really good foreign journals, especially foreign journals and neutral in nature. And there are the
and then I'll see a question. As you wish, but it should not cross the limit of 2 minutes.
and I'm asking sir about it. What is
No, just a minute. There are, sir, I'm not giving out. Just a minute. There are some rules and regulations. They can't cross the limit of entirely of 2 minutes. If you can, you can.
Sir, regarding the education scenario which you have asked the question, sir, as far as my knowledge goes, sir, 70% of the science magazines that are published in India, well, sir, it's foreign aided. Fine. But the foreign magazines, sir, you said there are some standards. But, sir, my question is, majority of the magazines, of the foreign magazines, advertisements are there.
Yeah, they are advertised, we are take we have to take something, okay? But we should also take our care about what is their actual motive. FDR. We should concentrate on 2 points. One, in what sector they are investing? Cosmetic goods, cold drinks. There are no employment at all in these sectors. Only benefit. They get benefit. Yeah, we are taking some advantages. That is some communication type advantages. You are taking example of your mother telephone and you didn't net line Hawaii Medico. Okay, but remember one thing. What will be situation after 10 years?
Are you asking a question or is it?
What will be the child to be
The last sentence. The last sentence.
You told that we need direct investment and technology of foreign in these 3 specified sectors. Specified sectors. That is, India is not self-sufficient.
I think you're confused a little bit. Next. The making of
The positions upon various subjects.
I think.
Audience is requested not to count. We just give you
Just Sir, I want to say something. Starting with the foreign direct investment. He is talking about.
any question?
We have to look only at the positive aspects. There are positive aspects. FDI means you are giving an invitation to the times which were before our independent days. Do you want the time again? Yes or no? Listen, the colonialization has died. Now it's a new world. We are starting with a new concept of globalization. Forget what was in the past. Think about the future. Okay. Opportunity to be of the shape economic straight economics. Sir, the economists suggested the road tracks to form special economic zones, culture, intermingling, foreign communication, foreign entertainment. You know what statement I will give? Shit. Our motto was a few years back, a decade back, united we stand, divided we fall. But this motto seems to define today's world. Respected honorable judges, respected chairperson, and my dear friends present in this auditorium. A good afternoon to everyone. This is Honorable Khaji here for the extempo, and my topic is Divided We Stand. I don't know what this world is on, what's happening to this world, or perhaps you all don't know what's happening to this world. The united we stand, divided we fall motto is completely changed. It has metamorphosized itself to a topic, to a point, divided we stand. Yes, this individualistic culture from the Western world is entering ourselves. This originated in the West, and it seems
There are no engineering colleges in North Bengal. You should not be going to 100 years, but you may go to 43 or 5 years. You will see that the place was sitting here for attending a graduate cultural program was not there. People of North Bengal, of this reason you will say, rather you will say, could not imagine that they will be having such a great college that is the epitomization of the technical education of the present sphere of civilization. Yes, for the people of this region and for the students arrived here, it is the sky fallen from a night and dark for long. Yes, my topic is the sky is falling. That is, I would like to interpret it as the dim. This is, to me, sky is falling. I have tried to delineate and to explain this allegorical phrase into 3 set contrasting segments. And I hope I have been.
So how far has we developed now? Today, every world has developed. Every country has going forward towards this development progress. Each and every movement has been developing in each and every field. And one of the main fields is technology. Today's scientific world, where we are coming ahead, what this scientific world reveals to us. It is only we see what is all the electronic systems, all the television, satellites, and everything, whatever comes under it. We see today everywhere, in every program, in every cultural department, that is of slight interruption. And we just say, and yes, my friends, the topic of my extempo today is there. We should know all about these things because we are in a developing phase now. Unless and until we know the sentence, we know the each and every meaning of the sentence, then I don't think it is according to the interruption like this way. What exactly according to the interruption is? We have to go, we have to see whatever the definition that is stated according to the interruption, but exactly this is not. Everything is effective. And after all, everything goes on. What is our main thing today is this is not my case. Because sorry for the interruption is only a small sentence, but it is a lot. Because of this small discussion, there can be a global mistake happen anywhere. A few minutes or a few seconds can cause a lot of loss to the country, to the nation, as well as the very human being. Some things can cause a lot of harm to everyone. So we have to
Television, radio, cinema, well, they are part of our life. Today's child does not learn everything on his grandmother's or his father's lap. He learns it from television. And sometimes
we believe or we think that our life is doing something which is as only television. After the break indeed. What is a break? A break from this humdrum life, from the monotony, from engineering graphics drawing? I don't know.